All right. So now we have increment and decrement operations in our shopping cart. So now we can go back to our controller and finish these increment and decrement actions. So basically, we've found the particular book that we want to decrement, or increment in this case. So we can simply say cart decrement book. And we're assuming that a cart exists, but that's a pretty good assumption since we're in the since we're on the cart page. These actions can only be performed from the cart page. Okay, so in this, decrement should be, okay, I'm sorry, that should be increment. And that one should be decrement. Okay, so let's see what we have here. String, we're finding the book and we're incrementing the book. Here we're finding the book and we're decrementing the book. Okay, that looks pretty straightforward. So let's go back to our cart page. And see what we need here. Instead of ID, we're going to have book ID as the name of our hidden method. It is going to be a post method, but now this is going to be decrement. Okay, I'm going to use this icon. The decrement button. Do I need to change anything here? No, I just need to change this value. This value has to be the actual key. So this is item.book.id. Okay, that seems correct. And then this is going to be similar. It's not going to be update cart. It's going to be increment. And this is going to be item book ID. And the name is going to be book ID. Increment. Okay, that looks good. All right, so now we definitely have to restart our server to see if everything works because we have messed with quite a few Java files here. So let's go ahead and do that. Stop the server and we'll start it again. We've done a lot here, so it might be a little bit surprising if everything works perfectly. Okay, it is loading. We start with 0 items in our shopping cart. We're going to go to mystery. And there we have mystery selected. We're going to add to cart, and that should create a cart object in our session scope. And let's see, we'll add 2 of the woman in white. Okay, so we go to our cart. And we have the curious incident of the dog in the nighttime, $12.99, the woman in white. So let's see if we can increase this, and that's not good. Okay, so for our increment, I believe we forgot to go back to the cart page. And that is a controller servlet issue. Let me see. So yes, user path should equal cart. Okay. User path should equal cart here. And likewise. Whoops. Using Mac copy and paste on Windows is not a good idea. Okay, so let's go ahead and save that. And again, we're going to need to restart our server. Okay, so we start off with 0 books. Let's go to romance this time. Let's add Montana Sky and The Notebook and 2 of Gone with the Wind. All right, and let's see what we have in our cart. Okay, so we want to make 3 of Gone with the Wind, and the price has increased. We want to remove The Notebook. That's not good. Okay, the requested resource is not available. All right, let's go back. And actually, before we go back, let me just check something. Let's see if we can decrement this. No. Okay, so it must be something in our decrement. So if user path equals decrement. Okay, there it is. We forgot the slash. All right, wonderful. Little syntax errors like that are always fun. Okay, once again, we come to the welcome page of my bookstore. Let's go to classics. Let's add the Iliad to the cart twice. Let's add the Brothers Karamazov, and let's add Moby Dick. And then let's go to the cart page, add another Iliad, and get rid of the Brothers Karamazov. Okay, fantastic. And we'll just decrease the number of Iliads. Wonderful. And what happens when we look at that? Okay, that looks good to me.